Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use Fiverr as a complete beginner. Whether you want to earn money by offering your skills, or you're looking to hire someone to help with a project, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Fiverr is an online freelance platform that connects people who offer digital services with those who need them. It allows sellers to list services, known as gigs, and lets buyers search for those services and place orders. This video will explain in full detail how to use Fiverr as a beginner, whether to buy services or to earn money by offering them. To begin, open a web browser and go to fiverr.com. Once on the home page, the first step is to create an account. To do this, click on the Join button in the top right corner of the page. A new window will appear asking for an email address. Users also have the option to sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Using these options can make the process quicker. After choosing a sign-up method and entering the required information, a verification email will be sent. Open that email and click on the verification link to activate the account. Once the account is verified and the user is logged in, the Fiverr homepage will load. This page shows various categories, featured gigs, and recommended sellers. The top of the screen has the main navigation bar, which includes options like Explore, Messages, Lists, Orders, and the Account menu. There is also a search bar in the center. This is used to find services by keyword. Fiverr allows two types of users. Buyers are people who want to purchase services. Sellers are people who offer services. A single account can switch between buyer mode and seller mode. By default, new users are in buyer mode. To explore Fiverr as a buyer, begin by using the search bar. For example, to find voiceover services, type voiceover into the search box and press enter. Fiverr will now display a list of available gigs. On the left side of the screen, there are filters to narrow down the search results. These filters allow the buyer to choose options like service category, language, seller level, delivery time, budget, and more. Each gig in the search results shows the seller's username, gig title, starting price, star rating, and number of reviews. Some gigs also display badges like top-rated seller or level 2 seller. These badges are based on Fiverr's seller levels, which are assigned based on performance and reliability. Sellers with higher levels have completed more orders and have received strong reviews from buyers. Clicking on a gig opens the gig details page. This page provides a detailed description of the service, including what is included in each package. Most gigs offer 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each package lists its price, delivery time, number of revisions, and any included features. For example, a voiceover gig may offer a basic package for $20 with 1 revision and a premium package for $100 with commercial rights, background music, and faster delivery. Buyers can also view the seller's portfolio and listen to or watch examples of previous work. Below the service description, there is a reviews section where past clients leave ratings and comments. Reading reviews can help buyers choose the right seller for their needs. To place an order, select a package. Optional extras may also be available, such as commercial rights, faster delivery, or additional revisions. These can be added by checking the boxes next to each option. Once the package and extras are selected, click the Continue button. On the next screen, Fiverr will display a summary of the order. This includes the subtotal, service fee, total price, and estimated delivery date. Buyers must then provide order requirements. These can include files, project instructions, or specific requests. After submitting requirements and completing the payment, the order is confirmed. The seller will begin work once the requirements are received. Communication between buyer and seller happens through Fiverr's messaging system. Both parties can ask questions, send files, and update progress through this chat. When the seller delivers the work, the buyer has the option to accept it or request revisions if allowed by the package. Once the order is marked complete, the funds are released to the seller. To become a seller on Fiverr, switch the account to seller mode. This can be done by clicking the profile icon in the top right and selecting Switch to Selling. A new dashboard will appear with options like Dashboard, Orders, Messages, Earnings, and Gigs. The first step as a seller is to create a profile. This includes a profile picture, a short description of skills, and any languages spoken. To create a new gig, go to the Gigs tab and click Create a New Gig. This opens a form with several steps. The first section is the gig overview. Enter a clear and short title that describes the service. For example, I will edit videos for your podcast and social media. Select a category that matches the service. Fiverr will automatically suggest subcategories and metadata based on the title. Next, add up to 5 search tags. Tags should describe the service in a few words. For example, for a video editing gig, useful tags might include video editing, YouTube, social media, and podcast editing. Tags help the gig appear in relevant searches. After completing the overview, click Save and Continue. The next section is pricing. Here, sellers can create 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each package includes a name, short description, delivery time, number of revisions, and features. For example, a basic package may include simple edits, while the premium package might include full editing, transitions, sound design, and subtitles. When setting up your services, keep in mind that the base price for each package must fall within the range of $5 to $995. This applies to all types of service packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The pricing should reflect the value, complexity, and scope of the work you're offering in each package. To enhance your offerings and provide additional value to buyers, you can also include Gig Extras. These are optional add-ons that buyers can select to customize their order according to their specific needs. Gig Extras not only allow sellers to earn more per order, but also help buyers tailor services to better suit their preferences and timelines. Click Save and Continue to proceed to the next stage, where you'll enter the description and FAQ for your gig. The description plays a crucial role in helping potential buyers understand exactly what you're offering. It should provide a clear and concise overview of the service, highlighting the key deliverables, benefits, and any unique features that set your gig apart. Be specific about what the buyer can expect to receive, the scope of the work, and how the service can meet their needs. It's also important to define your target audience. Let buyers know who the gig is best suited for, whether it's entrepreneurs, small business owners, students, content creators, or anyone else who might benefit from your expertise. This helps attract the right clients and sets accurate expectations from the outset. Next is the requirements section, where sellers specify the information or materials they need from the buyer to begin working on the order. This step is essential for ensuring that the seller has everything necessary to deliver the service effectively and on time. At least one requirement must be included, but you can add multiple depending on the complexity of the gig. Requirements can take various forms, such as open-ended questions where the buyer provides a written response, file uploads for items like logos or reference documents, or multiple-choice questions that help the seller better understand the buyer's preferences. These inputs help clarify the buyer's expectations and reduce the need for back-and-forth communication after the order is placed. After adding your requirements, click Save and Continue to move on to the Gallery section. This is your opportunity to visually showcase your work and make a strong first impression on potential buyers. In the gallery, sellers can upload images, videos, or PDF documents that highlight examples of previous projects, demonstrate skills, or provide a clear idea of what the buyer can expect. For services involving video content, such as animation, video editing, voiceovers, or tutorials, a sample video is highly recommended. It allows buyers to evaluate your style, quality, and professionalism firsthand, which can significantly boost trust and engagement. Once the gallery is complete, click Save and Continue. Fiverr will then review the gig for completeness. If all sections are filled out properly, the Publish Gig button will appear. Click this button to make the gig live on Fiverr. After publishing the gig, it will appear in Fiverr's search results. Buyers can now find the service, place orders, and communicate with the seller. Sellers can manage all activity from the seller dashboard. The dashboard displays active orders, messages, upcoming deadlines, revenue, and performance stats. Fiverr uses a level system to rank sellers. All new sellers start at level 0. After completing at least 10 orders in 60 days with strong ratings, a seller can move up to level 1. Higher levels offer benefits like more gig slots, faster payouts, and priority support. Sellers must meet minimum requirements in response time, order completion, on-time delivery, and rating average to keep their level. Fiverr also has a Pro program. Pro sellers are hand-picked by Fiverr after a separate application process. These sellers are verified professionals and usually offer premium pricing and services. Pro gigs are labelled with a Fiverr Pro badge and appear higher in search results. Sellers get paid once an order is marked complete. Fiverr holds the funds for a 14-day clearance period before they become available for withdrawal. Earnings can be withdrawn to a PayPal account, Fiverr revenue card, or bank account depending on the country. To maintain a strong seller profile, it's important to deliver orders on time, communicate clearly, and offer high-quality services. Buyers are encouraged to leave reviews after each order. Positive reviews improve the seller's visibility in Fiverr's search results. Buyers who are unhappy with a delivery can request a revision if included in the package or open a dispute through Fiverr's Resolution Center. Fiverr provides tools and support for both buyers and sellers to resolve issues fairly. In summary, Fiverr is a platform where services are bought and sold. Buyers can browse, filter, and purchase digital services easily. Sellers can create gigs, set their prices, and earn money based on the services they offer. All communication, transactions, and deliveries happen within the Fiverr platform, ensuring a secure and professional experience for all users. This is the complete step-by-step guide on how to use Fiverr as a beginner.